So hey guys, this is Vinay and welcome back again to my YouTube channel PC Techno. So in this video, we are going to make any QR code. So on this QR code, as you see in that there is a text field and then a QR code. I will take the mistake, and this is a navigation title. So if I type here is Vinay, then as you see in that a QR code will be changed. And if I scan the QR code, then it will show the text Vinay. And if you want to show the website URL on this QR code, then you will just simply type that website URL. So this is my actually website URL. Then if I scan the QR code, then it will show the QR code, show the text on this QR code. So how actually I make this QR code and how you will be able to make this QR code. What are the functions I use to make this QR code, and what are the functionalities? What are the things I imported to make this QR code? So let's get started. So first of all, I want to tell you that there are the two things which are imported to make this QR code. First one is core image, second one is CI filter built-ins. So just import core image, and second one just import uh, core image dot ci filter built-ins. Okay, so now we are imported all of the functionality which are used to make this QR code. So now we will create first of all a function to show the QR code. The function will be uh, generate QR code, and it will uh, pass the string, and return will be data, and data will be optional. I don't want to crash my web application, so I will initialize the question mark on first data. So first of all, we will create an QR code generator variable. So let's make a variable. The name of filter dot ci filter dot QR code generator. Okay. So the first things is completed. Now the second variable we will create a guard that data is equal to text dot data using dot ASCII. Okay, so it will convert the text into data and allow using conversation dot false, and it will return if the text is null, then it will return null. Okay, so just else return nil. Okay, so now convert filter dot message is equal to data. Okay, so the fill text will be converted in data. So third one, we will create another variable which is NACI image variable. Okay, so just guard let ci image. Okay, so filter dot output image, and else it will return nil. Okay, so the third one variable is also completed. Let's transform the text into image. Just transform is equal to CG affine transpose scale by 10 by 10. Okay, so next variable we will create a scaled CI image as a scaled CI image is equal to CI image dot transformed by transform. Okay, so it will transform the image. Let's make another variable which is UI image I. So UI image by UI image, and CI image will be scaled CI image. Now the last thing is return the UI image dot png data, and it will be I do exclamation marks. So now the generating QR code function is totally ready. So now I will make another variable which is used in text field. So this will be variable is text, and it will be string, and first of all it will be null. So first of all we will create in a top bar which is an a navigation title. So I will just type a text, and text will be PC techno, and just decorate this. So it will be bold, and the font will be dot large title. The frame will be max with dot infinity, and alignment will be leading, and we will create in padding dot horizontal. Just giving a spacer, and now we will create a text field. Text field will be enter enter code or anything you want to show that on QR code, and just type text will be on binding text. Okay, so just decorate the text field style dot round borders. Okay, so now we will show the image. Just image will be UI image dot data. In data we will initialize our function will be text. When we will passing that text, it will, and just initialize exclamation mark. Now we will decorate the image, just resizable, and give a frame will be width will be 200, and height will be 200. Okay, so just give an a spacer because it will handle the spacing between PC techno and text field and more thing. Okay, it will not in a binding text. So just build it and just run it. Now we will show. Okay, it will running finally. So just I have typed there is Vinay. Then as you seen that the code will be changed. I will show the QR code scan. I will show how it actually works. So now I am going to our mobile phone, and I just type that PC Techno, and now I will show through my mobile phone. Guys, this is actually my mobile phone view. So if I scan this, then as you seen that it actually show the PC Techno, and if I change the text by anything, then how it actually works or not, just refresh this, it's actually show or not. As you seen that it will perfectly works. So thank you for watching this video.